As New York City's largest and most trusted sewer and water main service, Vulcan has a team of trusted, experienced professionals that know how to solve your sewer and water main problems. Over the past 70 years, we have helped thousands of New Yorkers gain peace of mind when dealing with routine and emergency sewer and water main problems. With our 4-hour emergency service guarantee, we ensure that our team is on site and prepared for your emergency within 4 hours of receiving your call, allowing us to prevent further damage to your property. In addition to our 4-hour emergency service guarantee, the Vulcan team provides 10-year unconditional guarantees for all sewer and water main replacement work. This guarantee covers labor, material, permits, and any required restoration within 10 years of replacement work. As New York's largest sewer and water main service, Vulcan has the teams, equipment, and supplies available to us to provide our customers with the best possible care. In the current economic climate, we know your time is more valuable than ever. You can't be waiting around for a crew to show up at an unknown time for your repair. At Vulcan, our in-house GPS enables us to provide you with exact arrival times and job status reports that are accurate, not guesswork. Conveniently schedule your non-emergent appointments as soon as 72 hours in advance and within a set 2-hour window. Here at Vulcan, we are ready to answer any questions you may have regarding our many services and guarantees because we value transparency and open communication with our customers. Contact us today at 718-849-0900 and visit us on the web at vulcanplumbing.com.